Did you know that lots of animals are in danger? Sometimes people are the problem. In the past, wild animals lived in forests and on open land far away from people. But they lost their homes when we started to cut down the forests to build farms, and our animals ate the grass on the land. Let's look at some animals in danger. This beautiful animal is a cheetah. Cheetahs are the fastest animals on land. Their yellow and black fur helps them hide in the long grass. In the past, there were many more cheetahs, but people hunted them and they destroyed their homes. In Namibia, people are now protecting cheetahs because they don't want these amazing animals to die out. This is a chimpanzee. Chimpanzees are clever animals. They use leaves to drink water and twigs to get honey from beehives. They live in family groups in forests. In the past, people cut down trees, so many chimpanzees didn't have homes. Sadly, it still happens today. But scientists found chimpanzee families in some forests in Africa. These forests are far away from people, so people can't hurt the chimpanzees there.
Look, I'm a chimpanzee.
Oh, be careful, baby Bob.